officers from the Holyoke Police Department were dispatched for a report of a gunshot victim in front of 4 Barrett Street here in the city of Holyoke. On the following day, Sunday evening, members of the Massachusetts State Police Detective Unit assigned to my office and the Holyoke Police Department were informed that the victim's condition had worsened. On Sunday evening, Ms. Carmen Rosario, 31, of Holyoke, was pronounced deceased. The investigation at that point became an active homicide investigation investigated by the Massachusetts State Police Detective Unit and Holyoke Police Department, along with members of my office, the Hampden District Attorney's Office. Since the initial response to the scene, the Holyoke Police, Mass State Police Detective Unit, and members of my office have tirelessly pursued all leads and angles based on the evidence that was produced throughout the early investigation. Arrested and arraigned today in Holyoke District Court in connection with this investigation is Isreal Rosado, 21 years of age, of Holyoke, Massachusetts, and Jonathan Carrion, 19 years of age, from Holyoke, Massachusetts.
What I would say is the main offenders have been arraigned today on murder charges. So the public doesn't have to worry about them being out there.
And just for clarity's sake, the chief had touched on it, and many of you were maybe in the courtroom, but both defendants who are charged with murder, and they are held without right, which means they're held without bail for the pendency, at least at this juncture, until the case is disposed. So they are off the streets. There's no ongoing danger. From those two men, I can only echo what the chief said. This was not a random incident. It was based on a prior dispute. There's no ongoing danger to the people of Holyoke by these offenders or from this situation.